Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match, enable Hey Google, OK Google, OK Google, Hey Google, Hey Google. Now let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There'll be rain and snow, with a high of 3 and a low of -2.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.